Good day. This is your Aries Nepascua, your physical education teacher. Our lesson for today is all about body mass index. At the end of this video, we're going to define body mass index. Understand and follow the procedure in calculating your BMI. Identify your weight classification. Calculate your body mass index.
Weight gain is the sum of little things that add up over time. Choosing the escalator instead of the stairs, eating 2 helpings of dinner, and so on and so on. Ever wonder why you're winded or your joints ache and blame it on your age? Well, think about your weight. Imagine carrying a 10-pound bag everywhere you go. Just 10 pounds adds more than 30 pounds of force to your knees. So those achy knees might mean you need better habits. By realizing you're overweight, and by taking control now, you may lower the risk of developing serious health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, gallstones, and some cancers. Losing just 5% of your body weight may also decrease the stress you're putting on your body. That means doing more of the things you enjoy without the aches and pains. It's the little things that make up the weight gain. And it's the little things that will help take it back off. Wouldn't you like to drop the weight and stop picking up more? Obesity happens 1 pound at a time. So does preventing it.
What is body mass index? BMI is a measure of body fat based on your weight in relation to your height. It is more of an indicator than a direct measurement of a person's total body fat. As the BMI score increases, so does the person's total body increases. BMI can be used to screen for weight categories that may lead to health problems, but it is not diagnostic of the body fatness or health of an individual. We have types of body structure. An ectomorph is a typical skinny guy, have a light build with the small joints and lean muscle. Mesomorph has a large bone structure, large muscles, and a naturally athletic physique. The endomorph body type is a solid and generally soft. Endomorphs gain fat very easily. What is the formula used to get body mass index? BMI is equal to weight over height. Example, Paul weighs 150 kilograms and is 1.8 meters tall. He wants to know if he is overweight. Steps in calculating BMI. First, we multiply Paul's height by itself. 1.8 times 1.8 is equal to 3.24. Next, we divide Paul's weight by his height in meters squared. 150 divided by 3.24 is equal to 46.3. Paul's BMI is 46.3. So what is the weight status of Paul? Here is the example of BMI's chart, the ideal weight and ideal height. Here is the procedure in getting your weight and your height. Equipment use, weighing scale. For the test taker, you're going to wear light clothing. On bare feet, stand erect and still while evenly distributing your weight on the center of the scale. For your partner, before you start to weighing, adjust the scale to 0 point and record the score in kilograms. In height, you're going to use L square or even ruler. Tape measure laid flat on concrete wall with the 0 point starting at the floor. For the test taker, stand erect on bare feet with heels, buttocks and shoulders pressed against the wall with the tape measure. For your partner, place the L square against the wall with the base at the top of the head of the person being tested and record the score in meters. For your waist circumference, you're going to use tape measure. For the test taker, you're going to wear light clothing before having your waist circumference taken. On bare waist, stand erect and wrap the tape measure around your waist. For your partner, record the score in centimeters. Here's the standard centimeters for men and women. Some of the causes of being underweight are malnutrition, lack of rest or sleep, lack of physical activities, and sometimes it could be a result of the presence of the parasite in the intestines or a symptom of a disease. One of the suggested solutions to being underweight is to increase calorie intake. The dietitian or the school physician can tell how many calories an underweight person needs in a day to attain a normal weight. Physical activities help reduce or gain weight, burn calories, and promote organic vigor. However, proper testing like the physical fitness test determines the physical capacity of the body by identifying its strengths and weaknesses. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and God bless.